Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by using the ampersand to join text and numbers in one cell. Type equals A1 and in B1 to combine two cells with a space. Use concatenate for older workbooks to merge values when needed. Prefer the concat function in newer Excel to combine text and formatted numbers. Always use the text function to control numeric appearance when concatenating values. For example, use equals A1 and in text, B1, 0, #0, 00 to show dollars. This prevents Excel from dropping decimals or percent signs. When combining dates or percentages, format them before joining to preserve appearance. Use text A2 mm/dd/ei to show a date as text inside a sentence. Use text B2 0% to show 25% or 50% consistently when concatenated. To show currency, use text C2 0 #0 00 for values like 234, 56 inside text phrases. Use text D2 00000 to preserve. For multiple values, use text join with a separator to combine many cells cleanly. Example, text join, true A1, A5 produces a comma-separated list from a range. Combine IF with text to produce conditional phrases like IF, A10 paid in text, A10 #0, 00 do. Use round inside text when you must control rounding before display, for example text, round B1 to 0, 00. Use value to convert back when calculations must follow concatenation, and test locale formatting when sharing workbooks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.